everyone. We are feeling it once again. Oscar Ramos live. I did something I gotta tell you immediately. Finally. I am very happy. I think I got a good position. We're going all the way to the moon, everybody. All the way. It's a good day today, everybody. Feeling good. Crypto is doing it. Guys, it's happening, guys. What's going on? Well, we're about to find out. Christian in the house, Francisco in the house, Rack, Legend Killer, welcome, fam. Welcome, welcome. It's another beautiful day. There's amazing news for the channel, amazing news for everybody, and you better have cash in hand. That's the rule. You better have cash in hand. If you don't have cash in hand, you won't be taking the awesome opportunities, guys. How many times I've waited to go all in? How many times? Phenomenal times, guys. Everything's down. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? If everything's down, that is happiness. Why would you like the bull market to go into full effect right now? Makes no sense. Twice we have rejected double bottom. You know what that means? Bullish for what could happen tonight, and I have already started a position. We are talking about crypto.com, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, crypto in general. There's people who are bearish. There's obviously a lot of people who are bullish. A lot of you guys immediately telling me holding. Francisco in the house, welcome, buddy. Noobs, welcome, buddy. Quinn is in the house, welcome, buddy. A lot of blood in the 15, that's true. You're seeing right now, Shiba Inu, you're seeing Bitcoin right now on the screen. If you're coming in right here, any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to put them. Like and subscribe. Turn on those notification bells. Let's go. We're excited, fam. Nobody can never have enough. It's true. Emily in the house. Let's go. Legends are here. All legends are here. Hi, everybody. Let me show you now. There it is. Say hello to a 417 million Shiba Inu portfolio, baby. 417, baby. 417. Here it is. Guys, I've waited. I did it in the morning. I did it right here. I did it right there. And for some time, it was like $300 up. And I'm like, I'm the boss. And then look at it. I'm so happy I waited because it touched my level. It touched Bitcoin's level. Connected on my Fibonacci, on my log algo indicator, on all my charts. And it was a good entry because obviously it's not guaranteed it's going to just continue going up, but I'm covering my butt that there's a chance that we're going higher just a little bit. I'm not saying 3 years one, but 28, 27, that's what happened, guys. Funky, happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. DeFi has call. Let's go. I know, buddy. I know that very well. I know that very well. Are you ready for the pumps? Because I am. It's one of those days, guys, that you're gonna get the good Oscar right here. I ate a steak. You saw the post. You saw the post on X. You like that? Texas, baby. Everything is that size in Texas. I slept. Oh man, we're feeling good. We're feeling powerful, dude. Feeling good for whatever comes, guys. I have 417 million Shiba Inu. I have $21,000. I bought Ethereum. I bought 1.4 Ethereum. Everything is matching my levels, and I think I'm decent, guys, for a nice, delicious trades to buy, cash out with profit, repeat. As you all know, that's the strategy that I'm performing recently. But guess what? JP Morgan comes at us and says that we are overbought. You can only imagine the replies, right? You can only imagine the replies. It's crazy. Keeps buying Bitcoin. I said bullish, dude. Nobody cares. Bottom is in. Bullish. Guys, tell me in the comments what would you like to tell JP Morgan right now? What would you like to tell JP Morgan right now? Your mom is overbought. Oh, dude. His people. Bullish, dude, right? Overbought. I mean, yes, I know it. I mean, everybody knows that. It's just that when you say it that way, you know that they want to buy the dip. They want to buy the dip. They want you. Listen to me. They want your paper hands to sell so they can cash and buy all the Bitcoin. I mean, we're not that stupid, right? I need more even if I'm overbought. I know, dude. It is the truth, guys. It's a reality, guys. JP Morgan, not your friend. Guys, the SEC is investigating the Ethereum Foundation. You know, the suits, guys. They don't have our best interest at heart, but that's why we do Bitcoin and crypto, right? That's the way we do it, fam. So welcome aboard, guys. Thank you so much for stopping, and there's more people coming up. We're barely starting. If you just smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. We're growing at a fast pace. People are noticing. We're helping, educating, learning, making money. Guys, and we listen, and we are not even 3 zeros, 1 Shiba Inu. We are not even 3 zeros, 1 Shiba Inu. I cannot believe it, guys. I cannot believe it, guys. We are gonna lose our pants. Like, it's gonna be phenomenal. We're not even 100,000 Bitcoin. We're not even. Oh man. If you're watching this right now with me, with my fellow awesome people, you are gonna enjoy the ride that we're gonna have in the next 2 to 3 months. Might be consolidation, might be some type of correction, big sell-offs or so. We could also have some reversal. Who knows, right? Because all chances are calculated. But no, boys and girls, we're gonna have a really good time. I've been doing good. Thank you, Leandro. Appreciate that, buddy. Welcome. Mouse1W, let's go. Thoughts on Milady? I still don't have any Milady coin, buddy, but I know they love it on Cronos, and I'm all for it. You do you with Milady coin. So many great products. It's just that I don't buy everything, bro, you know? But I've heard of it, of course. So, guys, we have some positions finally in. Let me show you. I am 0.34 up on... Look at... I mean, this is what I did, guys. Let's go. The beats. I bought yesterday $500, and I bought right now a couple hours ago $11,000 of Shiba Inu. William, thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it. First super chat of the day. Let's go. This is the way we want to start. It's all going back to investing, by the way. All going back to investing. So I want to share with you my thought process on how Lux Algo helps me. First link down below, my indicator of choice. I'm a partner with them. They're loving the progress. They're loving how people are signing up. and totally for free. 30 days, you don't like it, cancel, no pay, zero. But if you like, continue using it, and you're gonna have tons of support and the indicators that I use, right? What I did, fam, is, I mean, it takes guts, it takes time to wait till the price comes to me. I waited here. I didn't buy here. I didn't buy here. I didn't buy here. I didn't buy here. I bought here. You bought here. So now this is the 1 hour. So I can do 15 minutes. I can do 1 hour. But if the 1 hour it's 26, I'm assuming that we can go all the way to 28. We could go to 28, which is pretty exciting. In the 15-minute position, I want to show you what I did too. Like when I saw this and then I confirmed with Luxalgo. Now this is Shiba Inu. So I'm showing you Shiba Inu, the two of them. I confirmed I'm touching my bottom. I'm touching my bottom. Immediately we get rejected and we are like 26 from 26. So these are just minimum moves. But because you buy a lot, it's phenomenal and you get tons of money. So what I'm looking for right now is much up higher. 1 hour or so, we're fighting the 27 right now. So those are the levels. Also got into Pepe. There you go. It's Pepecito. Here it is. Pepe dropped a lot. Did the same thing, as you can see right here. And it's making me money. I'm 1% up. So even though it's not much right now, it's obviously not much. But I just needed to buy some. I'm tired of waiting. Like I gotta tell you, I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired because I told you in the video earlier today, guys. Back to Bitcoin. I told you in the video earlier today. It's just unbelievable the resilience we see in Shiba Inu. I mean, Shiba Inu is solid. Where in the past, Shiba Inu will crash much more easily. It feels like right now the community is sticking together. By the way, anyone here from the DAMN, I believe, community? It's one of like the biggest meme coins on Shibarium. Shout out to them. I'm learning more. I may make a video on that. Pretty solid. Next year, Shiba Inu will pump, not this year. Well, what a great time, because that allows us to accumulate, right? Yeah, damn, that one. Learning a lot about that one. It pumped a lot, bro. Shiba Inu is done and installed. Whale. To answer that one, just gotta show you this. Is that dead, stalled, and not moving? From 5 zeros right here, all the way to 4 zeros 4. Guys, Shiba Inu is more than alive. More than alive. Shiba Inu, the community, crypto in general, this is going to make a lot of people wealthy. Problem is, it's just not the time. Because we have to understand that a cycle works and it all starts on halving date, which we're almost there. But I think the last 4 weeks that you see right there, it all changed. The last 5 weeks, like I remember here, end of February, then all of a sudden Shiba Inu did, something spectacular, and everybody will come back to Shiba Inu. 400 pump. 400 pump. Great. Similar to other tokens like Cronos, XRP, Ethereum, Solana. I mean, Just to give you an idea, this is it. Right here. Right there. We went from 409 all the way to 509 to 404, 5. And we were live those days. And what I'm trying to do right now, which I'm starting to do, which is working, is trade it, because the trend shows bearish momentum. The trend shows that we are going rejection corrections, but you can still make money. But the good thing is that for the last 2 weeks, Shiba Inu has been just solid, not really that shaky. But I do have to tell you, if you see Shiba Inu under 2, pounding on that, baby, pounding on that, because you never know when it would just skyrocket once again. Never know. Going through the bubbles right now, and this is what's going on. Boom and Pepe are more popular right now than Shiba Inu, and Bong haven't moved. Correct. There's a lot, guys. It's just a good conversation to have when it comes to meme coins right now. It's everybody's opinion is welcome, and you just have to choose what kind of network or token you're gonna focus on. But I wouldn't suggest this. Just reacting to the pumps, because you're gonna get burned. You kind of have to be early and understand what kind of team it's behind each project. You know, at least if you're gonna put a lot of money, and you do as you please. But I mean, with Ka, it took me a while to convince myself, because meme coins can at any point get demolished, rock pool, crash, and goodbye your money. It's, you know, the time for meme coins, the time for everything. There's competition every single day. Floki, Pepe, you got your bomb, you got your ship. There's one thing that I'll tell you right now. Not all of them will survive in the long term. That's tough to hear, but it's true. Not all of them will survive the long term. We have to pick and choose the good ones that we believe are not wasting our time. Crypto, not all crypto projects survive. Not all crypto projects make it for the next 5 to 10 years. Should I wait to buy in and it goes lower, or you think it'll pump again from here? It's a great question. That what I use my charts, my indicators, and the experience that we can collect, guys. Because early today, late for Asia. Remember, when it's late for us at 12:01 when we're live, it's early for them, and sometimes we see a lot of crashes, right? When I wake up, oftentimes I see a lot of pumps, or actually in this case, crashes. You remember that we went all the way up, like 60 what? This was Bitcoin. Wait, I'm looking at Pip. Let me show you. Bitcoin just 2 days ago was $68,000. 2 days ago was $68,000, guys. Did I buy there? Did I get in? No. According to my indicators, my charts, Lux Algo, and more, in the 1 hour, obviously, I mean, we can go much higher, but I'm playing the charts, and it's telling me, don't get in, it's gonna come down. So I didn't. I had to wait. And look, I didn't wait for Bitcoin to go to 61, but I already got in, because it's not guaranteed that we're gonna touch the bottom, you know? Not guaranteed. But in the 15-minute chart, we already have a nice flow, a nice wave, a cascade. Got in here. I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. But what I'm starting to see, if you're noticing, we're we're getting some rejections right there. Similar to Shiba Inu in the 15 minutes, same here. Rejections right here. What does that mean? It means that there's more sell pressure. Sell pressure is king right now. That means that you must be alert. Don't go all in yet with everything, because since we already have a double bottom, well, and I got something for you guys. We bring it. And I love this. Well, I hope not. That's fine. Guess what? I got this. This is a picture of one of my posters that I have here in my studio. And it's basically the patterns, chart patterns. Wait, what am I doing? There you go. Chart patterns, right? So I got this. I love it. I have it right here. And I'm like, I'm going to take a picture. Oh, sorry. We got some spammers. I wasn't even paying attention. All right. No, we're fine. Thought you were a spammer. Watch out, bro. So this is what's going on. Let me show you. We got a double bottom right here. Could be looking double bottom. Entries, stop, target, bullish. Falling wedge, bullish. Double top, bearish. So I'm gonna have these two in my indicators to right next to me, just in case, and see what kind of trends we're playing. But if you're seeing his, oh wait, sorry. If you're seeing this on the screen, the price of Shiba Inu is coming down, right? Then we're kind of like breaking here, stopping pump. Once again, pump. 1, 2. This could be bullish for Shiba Inu, right? Be bullish for Shiba Inu. If we're coming from the bottom up, that could be bearish for Shiba Inu. And Bitcoin. Forever. Hey, appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Jake in the house, as promised. Let's go. So Shiba Inu, prior to this, I don't know if you remember that we had this. It's gonna be difficult, but anyway, the symmetrical triangle. If you remember that I was showing you here, let me show you here. For a while, Shiba Inu had this triangle. You see? So that is the pattern that we had before with Shiba Inu for a long time. Symmetrical triangle, bearish. Usually bearish. And that's exactly what happened with Shiba Inu. We went lower. We went down. That's exactly what happened. Because we got ascending triangle, descending triangle. Was somewhat ascending, but it just stayed there for a while. Bearish. So I got this one. I'll use it whenever I want, whenever I can. Just to give me a little bit more of a context of how we're playing the charts. As I am becoming a little bit more of a trader recently, I need the charts to speak to me, because you guys often ask me, right, what's going to happen, and obviously I don't know the future, but I'm trying to do the best that we can, so we predict the next move. What up, fam? Love the videos. Keep it alive. Keep the good work. Can't wait to watch when we're off the moon. Thank you, BH. Man, that's what we're doing. Bitcoin was going down too. That's why Shiba Inu went down. Yeah, I think the whole market is just time for could be. I mean, it's something that we've been saying for such a long time. It shouldn't be a surprise to anyone, right? It is not a surprise. Let's go, love it. Love it. Thanks for your commitment, support, and giving quality. Hey, thanks, Jake. That's exactly what we keep doing this. People are noticing. And guys, over 500 people watching. What a blessing. and the prices are down, which is huge because this is when you want to know, right? And experience momentum. Just getting a buy confirmation on the 15-minute on here with Lux Algo, FYI. We're approaching this level. That's why I bought. If I come back to my Big X, kind of growing a little bit more. I put in about what, $3,000, I believe, in my Big X for Pepe. But if you notice, guys, we really haven't had any major drops. Nothing major, guys. Nothing major. Bullish. Like, we're just going and playing the market. It's just so bullish. No one basically selling. No one is flushing the markets. This is this has vibes of, let's see how many paper hands sell with this mini scaring tactics. But in reality, I think people are already destined to say, you know what, let's just go up. That's why I decided to go in with a semi all-in with $10,000 with Shiba Inu, $11,000 total. Pepe $3,000, so I did a $14,000 deployment. We got 14,000 here. We got 5,000 on Ethereum. That is $20,000, close to 20. Caspa, which is still down, if I'm not mistaken. So we do have some play money too. That at any point when I feel like it's time, because we're bleeding to the roof, like I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go under 60. It's just like it's taking us the entire year. All listed on DeFi, 100%. That's true. We talked about that, and we are giving a shout out to the entire Cronos community and to the meme coins and everything. I mean, that's the idea, guys. But for right now, LUNC doing decent. That's pretty good. Shout out to the LUNC. Loki still maintaining good margin. 22. Right now, there's some news. I mean, there's big moves when it comes to all the tokens and projects. It's just that nothing is really crashing and nothing is really pumping a lot. We're flat. Right now, if I go to the daily, we're just not moving much. We're waiting for Bitcoin halving. That's what's happening right now. Waiting for Bitcoin halving. How do you stake Atom on chain or just in Crow DeFi? Osmos, you can do that on Cronos for sure, but I don't do it. I don't even have Cosmos. Ooh. Let's see. This one. That's where I have all my Cronos tokens posted and ready. Ooh, Ka is moving. Yeah, the tokens are speaking. Wow, 27%. Let's go. It was a good choice to buy and continue purchasing the Ka tokens, guys. Cronos native. Eventually, they're gonna make us something. But remember, people are taking profits. People are selling. People want the cash out and enjoy. So just FYI, that's what happens all the time, and it's good. That happens. For now, what I'm seeing, and I was gonna go live earlier today, but I decided just to wait a little bit because I thought it was gonna be bleeding a little bit more. But in the 15 minutes right now, I see I'm not getting so much, like a lot of insights. I need to come to the 4 hours. 4 hours on Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin once again. right here. Just so dumb. I'm playing this little tiny space on Bitcoin, and just look at the macro and you can almost see more than that. Let's go to the 4 hours on Shiba Inu 2. How crazy is that, right? That's what we're talking right now when it comes to Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. Like, we really are not moving at all. I mean, nothing is really moving much. You say, well, Oscar, we went from 60 to 68,000. That's a lot, right? That's 12%. But for a 30%, 40% correction or so, we haven't really seen anything like that in a while. For the last couple of days, it's been kind of chill and plain, taking its time. But we have gone 16% the lowest. People that I follow a lot, I mean, 16, 17% the lowest. I think we agree collectively that that is really not the end pain. That's not how we're going to end the pain before the halving. So what I'm forecasting is somewhere here, 30% pain. I think that's the end of this. One of the reasons that I haven't really taken my all-in, money to the limit, because I know at any point somebody's gonna cash out and it's gonna leave me looking. So I want to make sure I get those opportunities. On the 20th, we reached 61. On the 16th on Shiba Inu, we reached 23, the lowest for Shiba Inu, which still, it's insane. That was last week. You're telling me, almost last week, you're telling me that the whole week we just did this. Crazy. That's how boring it's been. But even in that boredom, you can make money. Like, if you just bought here, you're really not that high unless you sold and traded. That's why. There you go. What's up, guys, and welcome. If you're enjoying this stream, the content, the vibes, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Everybody, turn on those notification bells. We're here. If we continue, let me tell you something. Like, eventually, we're gonna have some sound, some noise in the space where people are gonna get scared. But to all my 500 to 1,000 people who tune in per stream, just want to say that you shouldn't be that scared after you listen to what we all are talking here. You already be prepared, with maybe 5,000 if you can, $10,000 on the side. That is your long-term positions, where if we do really crash a lot, that you buy and you hold till the peak of the bull market. The peak of the bull market. We're just not gonna be able to stop Bitcoin once it's finally after Bitcoin halving. We have days ahead of us that it's gonna get boring. It's just not gonna be so eventful. We're looking at 20 what? 28. 28 price, 28 days. And it in the house. Welcome, buddy. Enjoy. Let's go. Should I drop my Shiba Inu now to buy more or cheaper, David? I've been constantly getting and adding, getting and leaving, getting and closing positions, because I'm aware that if Bitcoin does drop, which is the perception that a lot of people share, Shiba Inu is going down too. Even though right now it's been pretty steady. Meme coins bring together the Crow fam. XRP Ledger it's a conference in Amsterdam for the XRP Ripple Army. Bad, not bad. Go ahead and do. Right now, it's been uneventful. Thank you so much for the kind super chat, buddy. Appreciate that a lot. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Coinbase to launch Bitcoin fund according to filings with SEC. As long as Bitcoin is this low or not booming, the companies are gonna take whatever decisions they can to get ahead. And they will get ahead like MicroStrategy, guys. They will get ahead to buy as much crypto as possible. Oh, let me share. I need some alpha trends. 12 hours ago, the altcoin update monthly super trend has turned green. Bitcoin dominance is still facing resistance, signaling the time for significant money flow into small, mid, large cap altcoins. What is this? Divergence in the RSI. There you go. The 23, the June. I see. Just to give you an idea, because I mean, I prefer to base my analysis on stats and trends. And obviously the RSI is something that you might want to consider a lot. This 1A16 from a macro perspective, real parabolic run is just about to start, probably after halving cycle. Yeah, I mean, this is really cool because $250,000 to $300,000, I totally believe it's just gonna be phenomenal. I think 150,000 is a must for Bitcoin, but 250, 300, I only see that happening for a day or less than a day or less than 4 hours, and then coming down immediately. But check this out. I love this because it's really cool pragmatic data for us to give it a look. I already bought Shiba Inu, Emily. $11,000, ready to go. Oscar looking at ladies. We catch you. That is Taboo. It's one of the projects that are in the entertainment industry, and they always post, adult film stars. It happens. We talked about the project. It's similar to a casino, right? Everybody's welcome. You are gonna be letting a lot of these industries coming in and tokenize themselves. Now, where was I? Here. So this is the bull market of 2021, bear market of 2022, 2023. This is what's going to be. But guys, this is 90,000. This is 160,000. 280,000. Like, what is going to be the price we are gonna get to? You only know, guys. You only know. Someone should start a channel for free, a real one for the community enthusiasts. That's gonna be you, Isaac. That's gonna be you. 5.7 billion Shibas. Let's get that pump. Let's go. 5.7 billion. That is massive. That's really good. Is that over $100,000? Let me know, Brian. Really good. That's really good. We have the question, are you buying, holding, or selling right now? Holding. Holding is the answer winning right now. Holding is what people want to do as of this moment. They are not looking too much into trading, but holding. And as you're seeing right now, and it's been happening for the last couple of streams, that it's just super slow, really slow movements, allowing for traders to do somewhat of a few trades. And that is one of the reasons, I don't know if you were here on that stream, that I told you that the 5-minute chart was a little bit better for this type of environment, because it takes a while, it takes a while. 5-minute chart could be more faster and kind of get you a little bit more interactive with this. You don't think Shiba Inu will go down 4025, Emily? Strong. Well, if it does go indeed, I'm ready to deploy more. That's what I'm looking right now. I'm waiting for some mega buys. The title of this stream, mega buys. And it just makes me so happy that I'm poised, right, to wait for the time. So even though it's not happening right now, it's not like I'm down 5%, 10%. I'm flat. I'm literally flat right now, waiting for Shiba Inu to actually start running, and if it does, then we're gonna be making money, making good, delicious money. That's the point. Another one, we have Bitcoin halving 2020 Bitcoin halving, massive crash. Then there you go. Second Bitcoin halving right here in 2024. That is what the RSI, or so what is it? Something else. Patience is key. There's another one here. 2014 altcoin season, 17 accumulation. Yeah, it's just it repeats itself, guys. It repeats itself. Yeah, man. $65,000 or so. Once we are in the almost euphoric run, you won't be stopping it. Everybody's gonna be buying Bitcoin. Everybody's gonna be buying altcoins. Something like this is coming. The 12, 16, 20, from a couple thousands all the way to the 60. Flashing, super explosion. That's the goal, guys. That's the goal. So in the last couple of minutes that we were watching right now and enjoying ourselves, we are once again trying to break free from this average. See if we go ahead and get it and pass once again to the $68,000 level that we had 2 days ago. And for Shiba Inu, close to the 403. If that happens, guys, that's going to be the top of my Lux algo, my indicator. And then that's going to be the clear signal to close the position. What do you think about XRP possibly going to be US digital currency? I don't think that's going to happen, bro. That's too good to be true. Not here in the US yet. Oscar, why do YouTubers avoid recommending on when to sell? I don't know, but I could say it right now. It's just that you shouldn't be doing what we say, right? Always do your research. But just come forward transparent and people will understand what you're trying to say. And I mean, over the last week plus, I told you that I'm doing trading, not investing much. So obviously I'm gonna say sell or buy many times as I'm trying to profit here and there, because I'm not like in the past. I would just buy and put it to earn or stake. which I could do that right now easily and just don't even worry about trading and then chill and have an easier life. But I decided to step it up a notch and say, okay, I could do it. And it's working. It's just that it takes a while. You have to be looking at the charts or so. And I'm just sharing this story with you because it works. It works, and you can make good money. Just that crypto is just not moving much lately. Francisco in the house. Capitulate. So happy to see great meme coin holders, utility token holders, blue chip holders. Guys, we're all part of the same community. That's it. All part of the same community. You know, the last week, you can see it represented here. Just, sellers, profit takers. That's what's going on right now. The last month was phenomenal. I mean, such a different taste for February. February, guys, was the best month in the last 2 years. February was amazing for everything. But now it's March. And it's been the slowdown of that pump, that rush. And obviously the last year, oh boy, what a good one. What a good one. Staking is good for zooming out and projects to see gains. Correct. 499 people to buy cheap shares could see it go to a cent. I know, right? So we should be ready. For now, we're seeing that prices are slowly getting there, but boom, pause to the music. But for now, I'm seeing clear obedience to the 15-minute on both Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bitcoin, Floki, and that's what I want because that's exactly why I went in. I've been expecting for about 2 weeks a sudden crash where everybody's panicking and we have to make emergency videos, but no, it's just not happening. Every single time Shiba Inu goes down or so, it comes back up to a level that everybody's happy about. So it is fair to say, fam, that we're just living in times where whatever big breaking update we get from someone big in the industry, it's gonna be the determining factor of we crash or pump. So I think as today is Friday, usually let me see how was the price. Let me go to the day. What was the price last Friday? Because just to give you, I mean, this is Bitcoin, and then we go to Shiba Inu. Last Friday was the 15th, right here. So last Friday we were at average 403, and an average last Friday was $70,000. It was when we dropped a lot from 72 to 65. So last Friday was a very important day for crypto because it was basically the continuation of the sell-offs. Right now on this Friday, we start seeing somewhat of a consolidation, but still, as you see on the two charts that I'm showing you right now on the screen, we're just seeing the progress of the chart. The chart is building for us, right? The chart is speaking to us right now, and it's telling me it's time for consolidation, profit taking, taking your money outside of the market for a while, wait for lower prices, maybe get some, bull traps along the way, and trade it, and that's it. We have 28 days plus for the Bitcoin halving. I hear the best, crypto experts that I follow say that we're going lower. I hear other more degen people that I follow too that we're not going lower, that we're going higher. So continue, doing that due diligence because nobody has the answer. But history shows that um, BTC will do phenomenal. But before that, we might have some rough patches, some rough times. That is my point. You know, but that's why I did a semi all in. I have my levels. Shiba Inu is doing great. I think we're going a little bit higher, but if we do tend to go a little bit more, down, then maybe we're gonna be really cool. If you notice, on these two charts, the last 3 days we've been red. The last 3 days we've been red. So that could mean that a green one could be coming too. So that's why I bought, So to compensate. It looks like Bitcoin could go back to the 61 and then back to the 23, right? If that happens, there's gonna be a strong support rejection for the two of them. And that could bring us back 20% like this. It's not gonna bring us back to 68, but maybe bring us back to 65. It's not gonna bring us back to 30, but it's gonna bring us back to 27. And that's when you cash out, and that's when you leave the money back to the market, and then you get the profits. That's it. How can you never talk about Dogecoin? Obviously, if this is your first time, I've said many times that I talk about Dogecoin seldom because I consider Shiba Inu much better. And if it wasn't for Elon Musk, there really wouldn't be much Dogecoin left. Although I know Dogecoin is always used for payments and it's still a good project. It's just that not of my appetite. I much rather go the Shiba Inu route. I learned that Shiba Inu is much better in my eyes than Dogecoin. Yep, that's me. We're in a period of consolidation while everybody FOMOs in retail beginning to jump in. Pull the plug and drain the paper hands. And yeah, in a way, we all should be expecting turbulence, a little bit turbulence. I know it's a big guess for everybody at this point, but when do you think SHIB will hit back the, what is it, 3 zeros? 3 zeros 5? Carl, difficult to say right now because anything can happen, but before 2030, we should be getting more answers to that specific question. And I know it's crazy to say it's 2024. It feels like it's still 2020, right? How many of us still believe that it's like 2020, 2021? Because it feels like, man, wow, what a decade, right? But yes, it's just crazy stuff ahead for sure. Crazy stuff ahead. Is it worth getting into SHIB right now? I did it. I'm not gonna say yes or no, but I did it with $11,000. One thing I know is that we should be fine to go much higher if things go the other side. We just wait it out. Remember, I'm not buying like here's the one piece, right? Remember how we were at 404 a couple weeks ago? Did I buy at that level? Did I buy at that level? Did I buy at 404 right here? Look at how cheap I got it. I got into Shiba Inu at 41% discount. That's another perspective people need to earn, right? I have the same token that you have, but I'm paying 41. It's like you go to the Walmart, you go to whatever supermarket, and I want the iPhone. I'm paying 41% less for that iPhone. Let's go, right? Amazing. So I waited my time. And I mean, guys, if we go back here, some people will be breaking even, and I'm going to be a lot of money much higher. A lot of money much higher because I waited my time. You see what I'm saying? So that is the goal. That's the goal. I'm watching the levels, and I'll obviously always keep you updated. I want to appreciate everybody for coming and watching all the Shiba Inu videos, the content, the updates. Like and subscribe and sharing with the friends and fam. That always helps because we're really making a big difference. And we're buying Chronos, big projects, and it's just getting fun. Has to be fun. Always exciting. Always exciting. If you want to join me in my quest trading, get the Lux Algo indicator, which has helped more than 35 people that have checked, that people who have registered and connected and started trading, which is really happy, really awesome. So little by little, we're going to be, for those who want, supporting. Are you with almost 1,000 votes holding right now? That's what people are doing, selling to us well. Okay, got it. Very good. Very good. All right. You 3x this month, hoping 3x again next month. Kenneth, you're making bank, bro. I love it. I don't understand why people are not more bullish in Doge. X new payment system almost done, and they will use Doge Bitcoin. And yeah, it's just that. I mean, it's. I mean, it's obviously Dogecoin is it's a big one. It's just like, bro, like if anything, like personally, I mean, I just want to pick and choose a few of them. I mean, can't believe it. So many different projects, opportunities. I get tired sometimes of, like, if you have $1,000, there's like 100 projects that are phenomenal nowadays. It's like let me just focus on 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of them instead of 100 of them, right? But that's the beautiful thing of crypto, right? You can buy whatever you want. Talk about RSR. Have no idea what that is, brother. No idea what that is. Should be honest with yourself and take the average price and not the highest price for the calculation. Not buying till near 25. Got it. That happens. That is a good one, too. That is a good one. So, fam, that's it. That's it for right now. I'll be in touch and give you all the updates. As you know, appreciate your time. Just a good, delicious, less than 1 hour time enjoying with Oscar Ramos and chatting and chilling as always. And it was fun. Even though we're in the red, we still have a chance to get some more insights and to keep you updated. But the big news are, I went in 11,000 Gs. I was waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Finally, I went in and I already have my levels to get out and, continue this process. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate your kind support. Thank you to all the subscribers, the new viewers, the donations, and everything. It means a lot. And this is the very beginning. If we start collapsing tonight or so, whatever happens, crypto things, I'll be back. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Kenneth and all the different members and viewers. Thanks, guys. Bye. Let's go. Erwin in the house. That's awesome. Bye, guys. Thank you.